Hello everyone. In this video I will show you that how can you change the Apple's Game Center nickname on your iPhone. So it's very simple. Just open the settings. Here you have to scroll down and look for Game Center. Here is Game Center. Tap on it. If you are not already signed in, you will need to sign in using your ID and password. After that, once you are in Game Center settings, tap on your current nickname and now add new nickname and then click on return. And now your nickname is changed. Sometimes, especially if you are changing it to a name that's already in use, you might get a prompt asking you to confirm the change. So this is how you can change the nickname of Apple's Game Center on your iPhone. Thank you everyone.